time you guys have all been waiting for. You guys have been asking in all my paint videos on all my cars, man, what kind of spray gun are you using? That thing looks sharp. Man, look at the fan on that thing. Well, I've been keeping it a secret for a long time, but it's not a secret anymore. We are dropping 3 brand new spray guns. We have the Mark I Eco, which is a redesigned version of the original first gun that I dropped. A lot of you guys, I got a lot of commentary. Hey man, can you sell just the spray gun by itself? I really just want the spray gun, maybe a regulator. Well, I listened to you guys, and that is what we did. So the Mark I Eco kit is going to be just the spray gun, a regulator, lights up, and a 4-piece Euro air fitting kit, and then obviously the cup to the gun. Now, let's talk about the big elephant in the room, the redesigned Mark I Refinish Pro. So this is the gun I'm going to be putting in the infamous kits that I first started out with. I wanted to go ahead and upgrade the gun that I was putting in these kits. Let me go ahead, walk you guys over to the kit. I'll show you guys everything it's going to be. I'll give you guys as quick of a rundown as I can. I don't want to bore you guys. So we have the lids to the PPS system. Okay, we got a spray gun suit. You're going to get 3 rolls of the Mark I Refinish products. Pre-taped masking plastic, guys. This stuff is amazing for taping up cars, especially you mobile bumper guys out there. This is a must-have, or anybody that's just doing panel work. You can even tape up windows and use this to do a full body paint job. This is amazing stuff right here. You're gonna get 3 rolls of masking tape, 2 tack cloths. There's the rest of the PPS kit. And the coolest thing you guys are gonna love about this kit is the gun is actually a 1.3, and it comes with a rebuild kit, and that's 1.4. So whatever your preference is, you guys have options. You're going to get a tool kit and a cleaning kit to take it all apart. Light up digital regulator, just like all the other kits. 4-piece Euro air fitting, just like the other kits. You're going to get 2 speed shape test sprays. This is just to test your paint out and see how it looks with all the curves and everything like that. A lot of you guys ask how I got good at painting. Well, this is the secret, is test spraying. I know the coronavirus has hit everybody really hard as far as the mask department. It was literally impossible to get masks for automotive painting, dual cartridge respirator, stuff like that. Really looking out for you guys on this one. I'm throwing in 2 3M style respirators in the box, clean, ready to go. There's an example of it put together, obviously used. Last but not least, for the kit, you got your PPS adapter, and did still throw in a hard cut for those of you old school guys that really do prefer a hard cut. And we have a specially designed box, that way you know it's me when the mail comes. And then we have the Mark I MV1, so that's how you open it up. And there we have it. Now guys, this is gonna be one of my more premium spray guns. This gun is extremely light. It's got a high polish anodized finish, and it has about a 12.5-inch fan on it all the way wide open. It has a very big fan. Aesthetically, very clean. Love it. Here, and then this is what it's going to include. You got your cup, your tool kit, your cleaning kit, your digital regulator. You're going to have your PPS adapter, and in the very bottom, 4-piece Euro air fitting kit. And to top it off with the MV1 kit, you're also going to get a 1.4 rebuild kit, so you can convert this gun to 1.3, 1.4, whatever you guys prefer. Now, a lot of you guys are going to ask me, Marco, which gun do you think is best? Well, really, there's no direct answer for that. All 3 of these kits will provide you with very high quality professional results, but they all do spray slightly different, and they all going to work different for each different user. You guys have seen me spray the original Mark I Refinish Pro, which is the black and green one. Very low overspray. That gun can run on very low PSI. We're talking 15 to 18 PSI, spray and clear, and get a good finish. What is that great for? Those of you at home that got smaller air compressors that need a spray gun that puts out a little bit less air, that can still get a good finish. The Mark I MV1, if you are a fan junkie, this is the gun for you. This fan is about 12.5 inches. It is a very massive fan, puts out a very good finish. That gun I specifically love the most for clear, because you can cover so much more surface area in such a quicker time. And that's really important when doing full body paint jobs. You got a little tiny fan. By the time you get that car covered, when you start at one fender, you work your way around, that clear is going to be dry because you took so long to go around that car with that little tiny fan. So that's why I say when having a big fan is really crucial for full body paint jobs. And then we have the full Mark I Refinish Pro Kit freshly redesigned. If you are looking for everything you need to paint your car in a box shipped directly to your door, no going out to the store, no nothing, guys, this is the kit to buy. You guys have seen me do multiple cars with the Refinish Pro gun, and as you guys can see, this gun still lays out an amazing finish. Still has a really good fan size. The fan size on the Refinish Pro is, I believe, around 10 to 11 inches, so still pretty big. And the one thing I love about the Refinish Pro is it doesn't use a lot of paint. It is an efficient gun. It puts out the paint really quick, but it's also super efficient. When your gun's more efficient, you're going to use less paint. That's less money you're wasting over time, yada yada. If you guys are interested in ordering, I have directly below in the description how to order and pricing for all three of these kits. Guys, I'm going to reiterate this. We're about to hit 5,000 subscribers. I have literally been having probably over 100 people ask me about these guns for months on end. When are they going to be back in stock? When can I buy? Can I make a deposit? Can I pay you the full amount in advance even though you don't even have it in stock? Yes, I've gotten that question. So I'm going to wrap it up with this. These kits are not going to last. If you guys want it, get it while you can. I have limited stock of each kit. As you guys will see with my pricing, these are professional quality spray guns, priced well below all of the other brand guns on the market, and they perform the exact same, if not better. That's going to wrap it up for this one, guys. Like, subscribe, new videos every week.